Alright folks, this is just a quick video because I'm starting to get results. I have hidradenitis suppurativa. You can tell I'm feeling a little better, but I've been using a heater to dry out the wounds, but that's not all you have to do. But it's working the fastest to make it feel better. You also want to make sure that if you take antibiotics, replace the bacteria with probiotics. Use lactobacillus acidophilus in it, among others. That's got 200 with 36 strains. Make sure you get a multi. This is for all skin disorders and mental disorders for that matter. And make sure you're getting enough sunlight. If not, take vitamin D3. And if you have to, if you can't get enough sun or vitamins, use a real light, like a grow light or something. I've been using this. If it works for plants, it works for me. Take turmeric with, I take powdered turmeric and water. It is turmeric, whatever you want to call it. It is gross, like curry, but it's helping. It helps heal the inflation. Yeah, we got that too. Inflammation. I mix water and garlic together and drink it. It's gross. So, that's all I can think of now. Meditate, get sleep, and try to... It's a lot of it has to do with the foods you eat, but we can't fix that all the time, so you have to battle it. I'm not a doctor, but I play one on YouTube. Just kidding. See you later.